Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to explore the power of GPT-4 Omni to write in your unique style. If you're looking to save time and maintain consistency across your content, this guide is for you. With GPT-4 Omni's advanced file upload feature, you can train the AI to understand and replicate your specific voice, tone, and writing nuances. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create personalized content that feels like it was written by you. Yes, let's get started. So, step 1, prepare your data set. The first step in training ChatGPT for Omni to mimic your writing style is to prepare a robust dataset of your work. This dataset should include a variety of your written content, such as articles, blog posts, emails, social media updates, or even notes and drafts. The key is to gather a diverse collection that represents your authentic voice and style. Okay, so to begin, start by gathering at least 10 to 15 pieces of your writing. These can be saved in different formats like .txt or .docs. Make sure to include different types of writing like formal articles, casual social media posts to give the AI a comprehensive view of your style. Second is format consistency. Ensure that all files are in consistent format. If your documents are in docs, convert them into .txt files for easier processing. Next step is to remove any extraneous content such as signatures in emails or repetitive disclaimers. Focus on the content that truly reflects your writing style. Then, place all your cleaned and formatted documents in a single folder for easy access during the upload process. So, I've already prepared a dataset of my pieces of writing. Next, step 2, upload your dataset. Now that our dataset is ready, it's time to upload it to ChatGPT for Omni. This step is important as it allows the AI to analyze our writing and learn our unique patterns, tone, and language use. Okay, so we are uploading our dataset. The most important part, step 3, that is writing a prompt, a good prompt. With your dataset uploaded and analyzed, it's time to write a specific prompt that will guide ChatGPT for Omni in generating text in your style. The key here is to be clear and detailed in your instructions. If you don't know how to write a prompt, you can watch my previous videos. That link is in description. Okay, so determine the purpose of the content you want ChatGPT for Omni to create. So, our example prompt is using the dataset provided, write a 500 word blog post in my style about. Let me enter the topic. Okay, the tone should be conversational with a hint of humor, similar to how I wrote XYZ article. So I wrote recently ChatGPT workout plan prompts. So if you want to check it out, link is in description. Okay, so include an engaging introduction, a well structured body with subheadings, and a compelling conclusion. After creating the initial prompt, run it through GPT for Omni and review the output. Adjust your prompt as needed to fine tune the AI's response. If you want to watch dynamic prompting technique, that how we'll adjust our prompts in real time based on the responses of AI, you can watch that video. Okay, so let's moving towards our step 4, that is fine tune and refine. Now that GPT-4 Omni has generated content based on your prompt, it's time to review and refine. This step is essential to ensure that the output aligns with your expectations. Carefully read through the generated text. Look for consistency in tone, accuracy in content, and how well it matches your style. If the text isn't quite what you expected, tweak your prompt. For example, if the tone is too formal, specify that you want a more casual approach in the next prompt. So, finally, our step 5, experiment and explore. With a fine tuned prompt and dataset, you can now start experimenting with different types of prompts. This step allows you to explore the full potential of ChatGPT for Omni in various writing tasks. Experiment with creating different types of prompts such as marketing emails, reports, or even creative writing pieces all in your style. Now, the tension, the worries of writing AI generated content, plagiarized content is gone. Consider adding more writing samples to your dataset over time. This helps GPT-4 Omni to further refine its understanding of your style, making the generated content even more accurate. But here's the tip. Every time you must use a same chat when you want to upload your piece of writing. Congratulations, you have successfully trained GPT-4 Omni to write in your unique style. This powerful tool can now assist you in creating content that truly reflects your voice, making it an invaluable asset for any writer, marketer, or any content creator. Whether you are writing blog posts, emails, or social media updates, ChatGPT 4 Omni ensures that your style shines through every word. Thank you for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. See you in the next video.